I am eating pickles on Hollywood Boulevard. I bought a 5-gallon bucket of pickles, and I'm gonna let people decide my fate today. They honk, I eat a pickle. They don't honk, I don't eat a pickle. Simple as that. Let's head over to Hollywood Boulevard and let's see how many pickles I'll eat today. All right, so we made it out. This is what I'm talking about. Let's go, baby. So now we just wait for some cars to come. First pickle of the day. Feeling good? Gotta honk it up. Yeah! Let's go, more pickles. Gotta love some pickles.
I'll hook up a pickle right now. Quit playing with me.
It's pickles all day, all day. My God, I didn't really think about how many pickles I'm gonna have to eat today. Whoever thought that I'd be standing on Hollywood Boulevard eating pickles? I'm ready to eat a whole bucket of pickles. Uh-oh, Hollywood would be becoming different. We're becoming different this year. Woo! That's what I'm talking about.
Can I have one?
You want a pickle?
Can I have one?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you.
Yeah. Let's go. Oh yeah.
Eat that pickle.
More pickles. I need a lot of pickles today, I'll tell you that. So what happens, it's what happens, you know? But I love me some pickles, so pause.
Hey man, we out here with the pickle gang.
I heard a honk. I heard a honk over there. I don't even know how many pickles I'm at. Bro, we're like. Woo! Yeah! It's pickle time! Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Yeah! All right, here we go. More pickles.
How many pickles you got?
5 gallons. Woo! That was a little voice crack right there. Yeah! Woo! It's on the right, brother. Woo! Woo! Yeah!
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
I was eating so many fucking pickles. I've been doing this like 30 minutes. I should have brought some water.
Huh?
I should have brought some water.
Here, dog. Here, dog. Yeah, the rest of mine, dog. That's you, bro.
Thank you.
Hey, my nigga needs some pickles, man.
You want some pickles?
No.
I got a honk down there. That's the real brother right there. He gave me his water. Just dying. A slow death. Woo! Hey, right, go round two. Guys, I feel like at some point I'm gonna be dying, but we're just gonna keep going. Yeah! Yeah. All right. It is a madhouse. Hey, I got a honk down there. Get a honk. Yeah!
There we go.
There's so much vinegar. I'm like dying. Definitely the refreshing water. Yeah! Woo! That's 2 pickles. That's 2. I feel I'm not in full pickle form if I don't have this hood on. That's what I'm talking about. Power to the pickles! Woo!
Let's go.
Oh yeah! Yeah! There was some girl who was just staring at me. I'm okay, a little scared, but we're gonna make through it. We're gonna persevere. Let's go.
They can't back on it.
Yeah! Power to the pickle. Let's go. Woo! Yeah! But like,
Look, see? You were having his stacks on him. Oh.
hey,
It's all on sale for $5.
woo!
There we go.
Yeah! There we go.
Hope you like,
Power to the pickle. Let's go.
hope you like pickles.
Oh, I love them so much. I bought a 5-gallon bucket. Honk it up! Yeah! It's pickle time! Woo! One more, let's go!
How many pickles can you eat?
That was a lot of pickles at once. There we go. It's even better. That's even better. Yeah! Woo! I feel like there's like a point where if you're eating too much vinegar, you like throw up. Somehow I don't get there. That's what I'm talking about. Oh my God, bro. So many pickles. Yes!
20 minutes every 5 minutes.
Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Pickles, baby, let's go! Woo!
Whenever you guys get a chance.
It's pickles all day. Power to the pickle! One more, here we go. Woo!
Hey, yo! $5. T-shirts, hoodies, sunglasses, whatever.
Oh. Woo!
I think go with the little Stewart's car.
Woo!
How you feeling, man?
It's I can feel it rumbling around. Round 2 is definitely the mix.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
you ain't gonna let the man breathe.
Oh, wow, pickle.
Right now it's on sale. God damn. He came back around. Whatever you guys want, it's all on sale.
I don't know who would ever need 5 gallons of pickles. Maybe they just like the pickle on my head more. Maybe I should drink more water and flush it out. Dude, I think I'm gonna have the most explosive shits in my life.
Solid side and everything $5.
Yeah!
Yes, sir.
Oh my god, bro. Even my teeth feel weird. This is weird.
How many do you eat?
Too many to count.
You're a legend, dog.
I'm going to get water. I'll be back.
Get it, get it.
Everything is difficult with this damn sign on me. Can I get 2 bottles of water? And then what do you guys have for soda?
Coke, Diet Coke, and Sprite.
Can I do 2 Diet Cokes? Fantastic. Oh, thank you so much.
How many pickles have you?
Way too many to count at this point. Probably somewhere in like the 100 to 150. So it's going strong, but I'm definitely, we're back in pickle territory. I owe you a water. I appreciate that.
Man,
Nice and
anytime,
cold.
my brother. Hey, man, good luck to you, my brother. What's your name?
Will,
Salim.
nice to meet you. What goes better than pickles and Diet Coke? I don't know. I'll figure out the answer today. Yeah, I don't know why I chose Diet Coke.
You guys want it?
That was not a good choice. Let's see, wait, what time is it right now? I want to make it to 5. Or should I go to 6?
Everything here $5. Have a day, guys.
Oh, wait, what? What am I thinking right now? Wait a minute. I think I lost my phone. Somebody steal my phone? Did somebody bring a phone in here? Oh my god. Yes.
God, I didn't.
Oh my god. I'm like, oh my god, I gotta call an Uber to get home. How the hell am I getting home? I was like, I gotta text my friend. I'm like, I don't even know his number. I was like, oh, you just saved me from a heart attack. I appreciate that. Thank you. It was inside. We're back. Oh. See, people love the pickles. My stomach, no.
I've seen it all, man, but today, player, you came out here with a bucket of pickles, player. Get him, Will.
Hey, doesn't have to be a car. Woo! Oh, there's Darth Vader and Elsa. Did you guys just see them drinking a beer? Is that just me, or he just ripped a Corona? Said, fuck it, I love it. Maybe I should be doing that. Should I just be drinking Coronas? Yeah!
Hold on. There we go.
That's what I'm talking about. Power to the pickle, let's go!
Beep, beep.
Woo-woo!
We got a street hug.
Yeah.
We got a sidewalk hug. Mikey.
Pickles.
Have a nice day, y'all.
Yeah! Woo!
Let's get it. Pickle time.
That's what I'm talking about.
Man, we need to come up here for a record, man. I don't know how many people need to eat, but I bet you need the record.
Power to the pickles, let's go! There's a lot of pickles.
A lot of people.
Oh yeah! Don't get me wrong, like I fucks with pickles, but I didn't know the pickles were gonna fuck with me. Is that back there? We going back there?
Check out the other stores, but don't they work?
I heard that honk. I just realized most of my clothes are gonna smell like pickles after this too. Get a honk for a pickle. I got that. I eat, bleed, dream in vinegar. I'm gonna have nightmares about this. Well, I'm feeling some rumbles. Oh yeah. Eat your pickles. And pause. Woo!
Run it up. Got pickles. Hold up.
Oh, he got it.
Shopping, guys. Have a good day. $5 here, guys. Have a good day.
Ugh. What's going on?
You doing this all day?
Been here for 91 minutes.
And you always do this in Hollywood? Oh, just for fun.
Just for fun. It doesn't even feel like I made a dent in this thing.
Yeah.
I'm really hoping that underneath it, there's not as much as that's on top there.
Hey.
But like, I'm persevering through it with Diet Coke. That's a good pickle. And my stomach is already hurting, and I already feel like something is rumbling inside me. One of these days, the burp is not going to turn out to a burp. Luckily, I placed myself real well. As you guys can see, there's a trash can. Bro, the Darth Vader has a Heineken. Absolute demon that is spawning inside me. I feel like I'm lactose intolerant right now. Be a street honk. It's a little different, but
If you had
How many?
to guess, how many pickles have you eaten?
it's so bad. Yeah!
Why are you doing this, my friend?
I love pickles.
You love pickles?
I love pickles.
Well, good luck.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Take care. I love people who are interested. Like, come ask me a question. Like, my life is not that interesting. I eat pickles. Let me get some pickles on here. Oh. Oh, yeah. Woo. Well, this would be an awful fantasy punishment. Like, so bad. I think I might request it. Oh, there's so much. Hey. I'm gonna destroy my fucking toilet when I get home. I'm gonna be like scared of pickles. Like someone's gonna put a pickle near me and I'm just, well, pause. Someone's gonna give me one and again, pause. And I'm gonna like actually be scared, pause. All right, with that, my pickle days have come to an end. I'm gonna call a Waymo and throw these away. If I have any more picklers along the way, I have more. Besides that, I'm gonna call it here, and I'll see you guys back at home. Okay, so yeah, I'm back. That was literal hell. I literally was on the toilet for probably 45 minutes, and there was full like slices of pickle coming out of me. If you ever want to do this, just think about that moment right there. Because of this, you know, I got through my ceiling of being embarrassed because I really don't think you can get more embarrassed than holding a pickle sign and eating pickles. I mean, there's probably other ways you can get embarrassed, but this was up there. I definitely want to do more videos that are kind of like this. But if you guys have any ideas of videos that you guys want to see, you guys just let me know. Like, at this point, I'll fucking do anything. I mean, most things. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you guys like the video, hit the subscribe button because I'm in so much pain right now. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take it easy. Peace.